All right, we're going to talk about inequalities in two triangles. So the hinge theorem, or side angle side inequality. If two sides of one triangle are congruent to two sides of another triangle, and the included angles are not congruent, then the longer side is opposite the longer angle. Okay? So here I have, so what it's saying here I have angle side AB is congruent to DE, BC is congruent to EF. If angle B is greater than angle E, then side AC is greater than side DF. Okay? All right, using the hinge theorem. So which segment is longer? Okay? So we look here. Here I have two sides are congruent to two other sides in a triangle. Well, which angle is bigger? Well, angle D is greater than angle A, right, visually. So FE is greater than BC, okay? So we're going to apply the hinge theorem. So this is problem 2 out of your book. So it says that the diagram below shows the position of a swing at two different times. As the speed of the swing right increases, the angle between the chain and AB increases. All right. Is the rider further from point A at time 1 or time 2? So point A is right here, okay? So here's AB, here's AB, this is A, this is A. So I know AB is congruent to AB, and BC is congruent to BC. Well, which one is he farther away from? Point A. Well, angle 2 is larger than angle 1. So therefore, time 2, he is farther away from point A. The converse of the hinge theorem. Okay? If two sides of a triangle are congruent to two sides of another triangle and the third sides are not congruent, then the larger included angle is opposite the larger side. Okay? So here's my two sides are congruent to my two sides. Side AC is larger, is greater than DF, so angle B is greater than angle E. Okay, using the converse of the hinge theorem. What is the range of possible values for x? Okay, so here I notice that these two sides are the same and side US is the same as US. Okay, so 60 has to be greater than 5x minus 20. But it says a range of values. Well, what's the smallest this angle could be? Well, it has to be greater than 0, right? It can't be 0 because if it's 0, then it's not an angle. It has to be bigger than that. So now I have this compound inequality. So now I'm going to solve it. I have minus 20. So I'm going to add 20 to every side of the inequality. So 20 is less than 5x is less than 80. Now I'm going to divide everything by 5. 4 is less than x is less than 16. So the range of values for x has to be between 4 and 16. So 4 is less than x is less than 16. Okay, proving relationships in triangles. So given BA is congruent to DE, BE, so this side here, is greater than DA. I want to prove that angle BAE is greater than BEA. Okay? So I'm going to kind of pull this apart. So this is B, this is A, this is E. And let's kind of go here. So this is A, D, E. Hopefully I didn't put the wrong thing in there. So statement, reason. So BA is equal to DE. Okay, so these two sides are equal. I know my diagram, they don't look like it. Given. Okay, BE is greater than DA given. Okay, so I know this side here is greater. And this is supposed to be DEA. I'll fix that when I put these out there. So now I know that I'm not quite yet to saying this because I have to say one other thing. AE is congruent to AE. Reflexive. Remember that these inequalities, I have to have two sides that are congruent to two sides. If I don't have that, I don't have the other information. Now I can say angle BAE is greater than angle DEA because of third side inequality theorem. Okay, so BE is greater than DA, that was given. Therefore, angle BAE is greater than DEA. Okay. Why should you use square pans to make blueberry pies? Well, because pi r squared, obviously. If you had 7 oranges in one hand and 8 oranges in the other, what would you have? Big hands. Okay, so that's inequalities in two triangles.